Insta360 is preparing to enter uncharted territory with its first-ever drone, the Insta360 Antigravity. Announced just as DJI prepares to launch its first 360-degree camera, the timing couldn't be more dramatic. Both giants are stepping into each other's domains, DJI into 360 capture and Insta360 into aerial imaging. For the drone and action camera community, it signals the start of a new era, one where creative freedom may no longer be restricted by lens, direction, or hardware limitations. Insta360 Antigravity isn't just another drone with a camera bolted on. It is being touted as the world's first true 360 drone, a product that has reportedly been in development for years. With very little official information available, what we do know paints a picture of a bold and potentially revolutionary device. And given Insta360's history of pushing boundaries in the camera world, expectations are sky high. At the heart of the Antigravity lies its biggest draw, full 360-degree video capture in 8K resolution. That alone would be enough to make any aerial imaging enthusiast take notice. While traditional drones have often relied on single-direction gimbaled cameras, the Antigravity's setup appears to break free from those constraints. If the early leaks are any indication, it may operate more like a flying Insta360 X5, a product already known for its impressive 360 capture quality. This kind of footage opens the door to a radically new style of filmmaking. Pilots and creators will no longer need to pre-plan angles or camera movements, since everything is captured in every direction. With post-production reframing, one can extract multiple camera angles from a single flight. And because the camera sees it all, it removes the challenge of aiming the drone, freeing creators to focus on motion and storytelling instead. Beyond its immersive capabilities, the 8K resolution is a big deal. At that quality, the footage won't just be useful for VR or social media. It has the potential to be professional grade, especially when combined with Insta360's already well-regarded image processing algorithms, stabilization tech, and color science. While the full hardware specs remain under wraps, one significant detail has been confirmed. The Antigravity will weigh under 250 grams. This is more than just a convenience. It's a strategic move. At that weight, the drone will avoid registration and licensing requirements in many countries, making it far more accessible to the average consumer or hobbyist. Drones under 250 grams also tend to enjoy a more relaxed relationship with aviation regulations. This lightweight class has become increasingly competitive in recent years, with companies like DJI releasing powerful sub-250-gram drones that defy expectations in terms of flight time and camera quality. If Insta360 has managed to fit a high-performance 8K 360 camera into such a tiny flying platform, it could be a technical marvel. Insta360 has also hinted at several world firsts in drone design, though they haven't detailed what those innovations will be. These could involve everything from frame layout to internal stabilization, to possibly a unique way of mounting or shielding the 360 camera lenses during flight. Since stitching clean 360 footage in a drone environment poses many challenges, such as rotor blades and body occlusion, it's likely Antigravity includes some smart engineering to either hide or algorithmically remove the drone's physical elements from final footage. What makes the Antigravity even more interesting is how Insta360 is building it. Rather than outsourcing drone development or adapting existing flight systems, the company has established an in-house development team focused specifically on drones. According to their statements, this decision came from the realization that drone technology demands a specialized skill set, not just for flight dynamics and hardware, but also for regulatory compliance. Drone manufacturing is notoriously complex. Balancing weight, battery life, flight performance, GPS stability, software integration, and fail-safe mechanisms, all while optimizing for video quality, is not a simple task. By assembling a dedicated team, Insta360 seems committed to doing more than launching a one-off product. They're investing in building a drone ecosystem from the ground up, and possibly a broader product line that includes accessories and modular upgrades down the line. Their team has stated that this approach allows them to be more agile and responsive to both user feedback and technical hurdles. It also suggests that Insta360 is taking drones seriously, not as a novelty add-on, but as a core part of its future roadmap. While traditional drone flying already allows for sweeping landscape shots and agile cinematic moves, flying with a 360 camera adds a different layer to the experience. In some ways, it changes the entire purpose of how you approach drone cinematography. You're no longer filming a subject from a fixed point. You're capturing a scene from every direction at once. That gives creators the freedom to experiment with never-before-seen perspectives. Whether the anti-gravity will include traditional flight controls, intelligent modes like subject tracking, or unique 360-specific features remains to be seen. But if its camera heritage is anything to go by, we can expect things like flow state stabilization, smart reframing, object removal, and deep integration with Insta360's mobile and desktop editing software. That could make it incredibly beginner-friendly, especially for those who find conventional drones intimidating. Another advantage of 360 video in a drone is the ability to create VR content that feels completely immersive. For industries like real estate, tourism, or action sports, this could prove to be a game changer, offering viewers an experience that feels like flying themselves. According to current reports, Insta360 is set to officially unveil the anti-gravity drone in August 2025. That leaves a narrow window for more leaks, teaser videos, or official announcements to build anticipation. Some footage of what is believed to be the anti-gravity drone has already surfaced online, shared by reputable Insta360 tipster at Quadro News. While the clip doesn't confirm specifications, it gives a rough idea of the drone's compact profile and likely camera orientation. The announcement comes at a time when the 360 camera space is heating up again. DJI's first 360 camera is set to launch on July 31st, and GoPro is also reportedly working on new 360 hardware, despite ongoing corporate challenges. In many ways, Insta360's drone launch is a bold countermove, staking a claim in DJI's home turf of aerial photography, and possibly disrupting an industry that's become somewhat stagnant in terms of new creative tools. What remains to be seen is how the drone flies in real-world conditions. Flight time, GPS accuracy, wind resistance, and mobile app experience will all be critical to its success. However, Insta360's track record suggests they are unlikely to release something undercooked. And if the anti-gravity delivers on its early promises, it could set a new standard not just for what a drone can film, but how people think about filming in the air at all. Insta360 has already changed the way people shoot on the ground and underwater. If anti-gravity lives up to the vision, they might just do the same for the sky.